So here are the 3 ingredients for today's recipe. So we'll start off by preparing the dried apricots. So just gently with your thumbs tear open the apricots. Find the opening where the seed has been removed and carefully tear. Next step is to microwave the vegan milk chocolate and stir until smooth. Hey there, I'm Matt. Today on You Can Change Vegan, we're making Apri-Chocs, which is a new recipe I've created. Using dried apricots, almonds, and melted vegan milk chocolate. So, first of all, we take our dried apricots and we open them up, just like that. Place an almond inside. Close the apricot like that, pinching around the outside, and then dip. In the melted vegan chocolate. So then we just keep continuing the process of opening up the dried apricots, placing the almond inside, and then dipping in the vegan milk chocolate, shaking off any excess until all of the ingredients have been used up. I really enjoyed getting outside and cooking on a nice warm and sunny day. Once you've finished making them all, then you can lick the melted chocolate off your fingers. At this stage you can sprinkle a little bit of salt over the top of them if you like, while the chocolate is still melted. Now they need to go into the fridge for about half an hour to set. Or try one while the chocolate is still melted like I did. Once they are set, you can take them out of the fridge and this is what they'll look like. I think they look a little bit like a chocolate oyster with a little almond pearl inside. I'm really happy with how this recipe I've created has turned out. It's got a really nice combination of flavours. Thanks everyone for watching and let me know what you think of this recipe in the comments.